In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Picture-in-Picture feature in Firefox to enhance your video watching experience. This feature allows you to multitask efficiently by enabling you to watch a video in a small floating window while you continue to browse other websites. It's an incredibly handy tool for those of us who like to stay productive while also enjoying some entertainment. Let's dive in and get started with the process. First things first, you'll want to open your Firefox browser. Once you've done that, navigate to your favorite video site. This could be YouTube, Vimeo, or any site that supports video playback. Select a video you'd like to watch. Now, this sets the stage for the magic of Picture-in-Picture to unfold. As your selected video begins to play, hover your mouse over it. Keep an eye out for the small blue Picture-in-Picture icon that will appear. It's represented by two rectangles with an arrow pointing to the bottom right. Once this icon catches your eye, go ahead and click on it. This action will pop out the video into its own small floating window, offering you a neat and tidy view while you continue with other tasks on your computer. With the video now floating on your screen, let's explore how you can control this Picture-in-Picture window to optimize your viewing experience. You can simply click and drag the window to move it anywhere on your screen. Whether you want it in the corner, at the center, or right in front of your work, it's up to you. If the size isn't quite right, no worries. You can easily resize it by clicking and dragging the corners to make it larger or smaller as needed. The Picture-in-Picture window also has its own set of controls. You'll find play and pause buttons right there, giving you quick access without jumping back to the original browser tab. Now, when you're ready to disable the Picture-in-Picture mode and bring the video back to its normal state on the web page, you have a couple of options. You can simply close the floating window by clicking the X in its top right corner. Alternatively, you can return to the original video on the website and click the Picture-in-Picture icon again. This will seamlessly transition the video from its floating state back to the full web page. By following these steps, you've learned how to activate and effectively use Picture-in-Picture mode in Firefox. This feature is perfect for those moments when you want your video accompaniment without being tied down to one tab. Whether you're catching up on your favorite vlog or soaking in a tutorial while getting some work done, Picture-in-Picture mode is your ally in multitasking. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.